What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but guys, I've been busy. It's been a lot going on, a lot of moving, a lot going on in my personal life, so I wasn't able to do videos like I had been wanting to. So, but nonetheless, here I am. I posted a video now. Guys, this is my fall go-to look. I love this look. It's very simple, very easy to create. Eyeshadows are only like I think 3 colors, maybe 4. Simple burgundy or plum type lip, very easy to go to. You're looking for something slightly, you know, glam, but very easy to do. This is definitely it. So if you want to see how I achieve this very easy fall type plum look, then stay tuned. please make sure you thumbs it up, and please don't forget to click that subscribe button and the little bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a video. All right, and I promise I am going to do my best to keep this going and keeping the videos coming, guys. So if you have any suggestions, any looks that you particularly want to see, and just kind of not sure how to do it, whatever, I'm open for suggestions. So definitely comment in the comments below. Please make sure you follow all my social media handles. That is HeyAprilHeyMUA on Instagram, Snapchat, and as well as Facebook. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.